In this video I'm going to show you 25 amazing uses and benefits for carrot juice, including for skin cancer and weight loss. Carrot is one of the most underrated vegetables there is. Most people eat it as a small snack, a garnish to add some colour to a dish, or possibly to eat it with afternoon tea is a carrot cake. However, you might be surprised at the amazing benefits of this crunchy orange wonder when drank as a juice. Here are 25 reasons you should be drinking or eating carrots. Number 1, it's good for the eyes. You've probably heard of carrots and how they help you see in the dark. It turns out there is truth behind this claim. Carrot juice is a good source of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, which is one of the most powerful antioxidants. Vitamin A helps protect the surface of the eye and contributes to strong vision. Drinking carrot juice can ward off various eye disorders such as macular degeneration, cataracts and blindness. Carrots also contain lutein, which is an antioxidant that protects the eye from damaging light. A 1994 study found that lutein was linked to a reduced risk of macular degeneration, an eye disorder that causes vision loss. Number 2, it can improve immunity and controls heart disease. You won't believe it, but consuming a glass of carrot juice regularly can actually boost your immunity. It also helps to keep your heart healthy. Carrots are a rich source of vitamin A and beta-carotene as discussed, which makes it effective in warding off germs. The abundance of vitamin A in carrot juice can prevent the onset of heart disease and strokes. Vitamin A also keeps the lining of the internal organs healthy in order to prevent it from being infected by a pathogenic organism. Number 3, it can control sun damage. Are you scared to venture out in the sun? Well, don't worry, have carrot juice and say goodbye to sun damage. The beta-carotenoids help reduce sunburn and also increase the skin's resistance to sun damage. Number 4, it can cleanse the liver. Carrot juice can cleanse and detoxify the liver. The regular consumption of this tasty juice can help in releasing toxins from the liver. The bloodstream cannot rid the body of toxins in bile throughout the kidneys. They have to be rejected from the skin. Carrot juice aids this process and ensures that the harmful bile is removed from the body. When the liver functions well, it prevents the accumulation of fat and aids in the rapid digestion. This prevents weight gain and obesity. Number 5, increase the body's metabolism. Carrot juice usually helps in increasing the body's metabolism since it is rich in vitamin B complex. This usually helps in breaking down fat, glucose and proteins. When your metabolism is increased, you're even likely to lose weight, which is beneficial to your body. Number 6, increase the capacity of carrying oxygen. Carrot juice is known to have large amounts of iron. This iron is responsible for increasing the oxygen carrying capacity of the body. This goes a long way in helping us do more workouts. Number 7, lower cholesterol. If you're having trouble controlling your cholesterol, or if you want to control your cholesterol without medication, consider adding carrot juice to your diet. As an excellent source of potassium, carrot juice can help you maintain a healthy cholesterol level. Lower cholesterol levels reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Talk to your doctor before stopping any prescription medications though. Number 8, reduce dryness and scars. Does your skin look lifeless and dull? Well, carrot juice to the rescue. Potassium helps reduce skin dryness and reduce scars and blemishes. It also gives life to your skin by improving the skin tone. It will also help improve hydration and thus keep your skin moisturized. Number 9, prevent acne. Instead of using a number of commercial products, you can get rid of that stubborn acne by going the natural way. Just include carrot juice in your everyday diet and see the difference. Since it is high in essential vitamins, carrot juice helps prevent acne by detoxifying your body. Number 10, it can aid in hair growth. Drinking carrot juice regularly can make your hair gorgeous and healthy. It aids hair growth and prevents dandruff on your scalp. Number 11, muscle growth. Vitamin A helps our body to heal after a strenuous workout and aids muscle growth. The phosphorus in carrot juice builds, repairs and maintains muscle. Number 12. Strengthen nails. If you want flaunt, healthy and pretty nails, drink carrot juice. It strengthens your nails and also makes them shiny and sharp. Number 13. It's a great source of vitamins needed for your skin. Carrot juice acts as a vitamin supplement for your skin and makes it glow. It also contains many healthy nutrients that can reduce skin related problems like eczema, which may be caused by a deficiency of vitamin E, and dermatitis and rashes. Number 14. Another skin benefit is skin whitening. It might be surprising, but carrot juice can make your skin a few tones lighter. All you need to do is to take some carrot juice and add a teaspoon of honey to it, and then apply it to your face and neck and rub it slowly. Then wash your face with water, and after 20 minutes you'll notice the difference. Number 15. It can promote urination. Studies have shown that carrot juice is a strong diuretic. It plays a key role in increasing urination, which eventually helps in purging almost 4% of total body fat. It also removes excess bile and uric acid. Number 16. It can fight aging. Carrot juice can actually slow down the aging process. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body. It reduces cell degeneration and thus slows down aging. It largely improves the amount of collagen in the skin, which keeps it firm and healthy. This helps in maintaining elasticity and reduces the visible signs of aging like sagging skin and wrinkles. Number 17. It can enhance bone health. Who says only spinach can make you stronger like Popeye? Well, carrot juice is also a strong contender. Vitamin K in carrot juice is essential for the protein building process in the body. It also helps in the binding of calcium, which in turn leads to a faster healing of broken bones. Potassium present in carrot juice also helps to improve bone health. Number 18. It can control sugar levels. We all know that falling prey to diabetes can increase your weight. However, having carrot juice can balance your sugar levels. Magnesium, manganese and carotenoids present in carrot juice can stabilise the sugar levels and help reduce the weight gain due to diabetes. Carotenoids are known to inversely affect the insulin resistance, thus reducing the blood sugar levels. Number 19. Help menstrual cycle. Whether you're suffering from irregular cycles of painful menstruation, carrot juice can be your saviour. This juice can improve your menstruation cycle by working to help your menstrual flow. Number 20. Prevents cancer. Carrot juice also acts like an anti-cancer agent. The increased intakes of carotenoids in carrot juice has been said to decrease instances of bladder, prostate, colon and breast cancers. Number 21. It can help in maintaining oral health. Carrot juice usually helps your body to improve immunity, including the body's ability to fight bacteria that normally enters through the mouth and lives within the gums and teeth. There are certain minerals that are normally in carrots that can help fight cavities and tooth decay. Number 22. It can aid in clotting of the blood. Carrot juice has vitamin K that helps in the clotting of blood. This prevents loss of blood and hastens the healing process as well. Number 24. A healthier pregnancy. Drinking carrot juice is also beneficial during and after pregnancy because it's full of calcium, folate, potassium, magnesium and of course vitamin A. Calcium helps your fetus develop strong bones and cartilage, whilst folate prevents birth defects. Vitamin C and vitamin A in carrot juice also act as a powerful antioxidants in pregnancy. These vitamins protect both mother and the fetus from free radicals and gives both an immune system boost that lowers the risk of infections. Number 25. Carrots for a cough. Carrots are said to be just as effective when it comes to treating a cough, cold or sore throat. Carrot juice contains vitamin C and A, vitamin C as well, and it's great in treating a dry cough. Drink carrot juice over the course of a day for relief for a cough and add some honey to enhance its effectiveness. Let's take a look at the potential side effects of carrot juice. Whilst carrot juice has nutritional and health benefits, it's important to drink it in moderation. Fruit or vegetable juices contain little to no fibre. Also, excessive intake of the beta-carotene can potentially change the colouring of your skin. It's the vitamin that gives carrot its orange colour. If you eat or drink too many carrots or carrot juice, your skin may temporarily develop a slightly yellowish or orange tint. To conclude, the benefits of carrots can't be overstated. If you prefer to cook or eat raw carrots, you'll benefit from more satiety from the fibre, which is ideal for weight management. But juicing your carrots may provide a bigger nutritional punch. Plus, it's easier to absorb nutrients and antioxidants from a juice. According to Stanford Healthcare, it takes about 5 carrots to produce 1 cup of carrot juice. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 25 amazing uses and benefits of carrot juice, including skin cancer and weight loss benefits. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the amazing health benefits of celery juice. Thanks for watching and bye for now.